Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate of this OPPO device. Firstly, just open Settings, tap on Display and Brightness, and scroll all the way down. Then click on Screen Refresh Rate. Over here, just tap on the best option that you wish to set up. In my case, High. So when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my OPPO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!